What is the sum of the first four terms? I'm given this sequence, and I'd like to know the sum of the first four terms. I know the sum means add, so if I can find A1, A2, A3, and A4, and then I can add them together to get the sum. So first, I'd like to find A1. If I'm finding A1, that means I'm looking for the first term. So that means my n value is now going to be 1, which means that I can start to simplify by using the order of operations. When I do that, I get that A1 equals 10. Let me just write that over here to organize my answers. When I find the second term, now my n is going to be 2 because I'm looking for that second term. When I use the order of operations, I can simplify my answer. I find out that A2 is 12. Again, I'll just organize my terms over here. My third one, now I'm still using my given formula, my rule, my sequence, to find this. Sorry, I'm using my formula to find my sequence. Now this time my n value is 3, so I'll put in 3. And again, using the order of operations to simplify. I find that A3 is 14. I can keep going with A4, but I can also predict that my pattern is probably going to tell me that the next one is 16 because we're going by 2's each time. I can tell that from my slope, and my initial value was 10. But let's just figure it out just to be sure. So again, using my original formula, this time changing my n value, oops, sorry, it should be a minus, to 4. Again, that's a minus. Using the order of operations, I do find out that my fourth term is 16. Now, I found the first four terms, but the question wasn't asking for the first four terms. It was asking for the sum of the first four terms. So now, I have to add my first four terms together. When I do that, I get 6, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the sum of the first, sorry, you didn't realize you couldn't see that. Over here I just added my first four terms together and I got 52. Just rewriting my answer. The sum of the first four terms is 52.